Alright. So, this is Gatekeeper Infinity. It's, never played this before, so I honestly don't know what to do here. It does seem kind of fun though. So, there's different health points. What is this? Damage points? Regeneration? Okay. Speed. Okay, what kind of stuff do we have here? The hands. Okay, claws, right? That's actually kind of cool. He creates a fiery vortex. Alright. Fiery burst of damage doing 150%. 200%. And what does this do? 12 crows that just random. Okay, it selects random targets within a radius of 40 units and attack it. I wonder what units are. I'm not sure. Bloodless. Alright. Any skill damage with a 10% chance increases base damage by 20% for 5 seconds. Stacks up to 5 times. Okay, stacks up to 5. It's actually kind of good. What does this do? Okay, Nitum and Hybrid. Okay, shells. A standard shot. Every third shot deals 150 damage. 150%. Westbat explodes upon impact, dealing 500% damage. 8 unit radius. That's very good. Okay, no wonder his health is so low, because his attacks are really good. Okay. Quick dash in the direction of movement helps avoid damage. So it kind of just allows you to move away from something. Alright, cool. External BIOS. There's a disc that bounces off the nearest enemies up to 20 times. Wow, okay, up to 20 times. Dude. Okay, so this guy is like he's from Huntress. Like Huntress from, Risk Rain 2. Or any of the others. It's 3 now, obviously. Gatekeeper. Okay, that yeah, makes sense. Kind of guessing it's the hardest difficulty. Probably take 200% damage. Or that's the rating for it. I think I'm gonna use this guy first. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's try it. Why not? Let's see what happens. It kind of looks really good, actually. This reminds me of Risk Rain real bad. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Alright, what's the objective here? Looks like the aiming system is like you gotta be spot on. Then again, it's a lot easier because top down view kind of. Are they all coming from like this one place though? My question. So F. Nice. Okay, that's an instant. What? It should not be an instant kill. I'll take it. Why not? What's this? Oh, I missed. That sucks. left shift is run. I'm kind of guessing that last ability is my my passive. F. Yeah, that's good. Okay. That's really good. I didn't expect it to be that good, but guess it is. I should settings. Okay. Okay, sound. There it is. Turn that down. Now we can do this. Alright. Here we go. Turn that up a little bit. Now it's all sad since there's no music. Okay, but I see he has a massive downfall. His region isn't too good. Once he starts losing health, it goes downhill. Yeah, he's good, obviously. His abilities are really nice, but they can only make you go so far. New level of evolution. Kind of getting at 4 now. More of those little objects I've been picking up. Oh, those bosses? No, it's enemies, okay. Let's see what these guys are. More health, movement speed, skill cooldown. Holy crap. 8%, movement speed, damage, health. Oof, yeah, damage, and then attack speed. Okay, no, it doesn't give me, so what are these then? Okay, no, the little bar right here is telling me that my evolution rate, that's what it's called. Obelisk of Destruction. Let's see here. 5% chance on hit to create a projectile that targets the enemy within a radius of 20, plus 2 per stack, and deals 100% damage. That's really good. Alright. So that means... Wait. I don't know. Okay, so this can be like the blue pill. What if it was red pill? It's probably a damage. So I wonder if that 20 means 20 units. I mean, so it's the same, this, or, that said 8 units I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Not keeping track of everything. Protocol, primary attack has 5% chance to launch a projectile dealing 100% damage. That's good. Okay. Spark, 5% chance to ignite the enemy with primary attack. That's kind of good. So you need 20 of those in order to have a 100% chance. I don't think you're gonna get 20 of those real quick. Does not work on sirens. Not acquainted with the enemies yet. 5% chance to ignite the enemy with the primary attack. I think this one might be the best. I don't know. Oh, okay. It has the restrain bar too. Alright, I'm gonna call it the restrain bar. I know it's not exactly from restrain, obviously, but Now it is. Because, let's see, the only game I've seen that has that bar is Risk of Rain 2, not 1, or the remastered version. There it is. Okay, yeah, so it is a red pill. Well, all I can get is the flash. May as well take what I can get, right? Not exactly getting. Yeah, well, obviously, that's why. Because no more enemies to kill. So at least it tells you how many there are, though. It's kind of smart. A boss? Serious? No boss? What? That's kind of dumb. A boss? That ruins every. Hold on. Turn on VSync. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Feel a lot better. It's just bugging me out because of all the texture bugs. Just kidding. Whoa, buddy. Stop that. I'm gonna fall real quick. Oh, what? What is this? Ooh. Okay, so you can upgrade an ability 3 times. Ooh. It means for this guy, any night perk is kind of just useless because you can already make him. That one. Trying to gain some distance because they're really coming in. There's no amount of enemies on this one. I'm kind of guessing this is kind of a mini boss stage. Or if they're gonna get bigger. Not sure. Oh. Whoa. Teleportation? Get rid of him. Another. 2 more. Okay. Fun. Nice. Alright. The disc is a little overpowered now. So, even though we're really, like, we're just scraping the surface, I'm kind of guessing. Another. Nice. Okay, that's really overpowered. Looks like an ability. Is it? No, it's coin. Okay. Must be like the good coin or something. Not sure. That must be a crit. Crit. Okay. I'm not expecting much from the first couple stages though. Back up. I do want to get more coins so I can get something from the candy store. Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh. I was kind of because Frisbee does not do anything if there's no enemies around. It is absolutely bad. So once I'm done, there's 2 or 3 enemies around. It's awesome because it keeps repeating the damage. I really like that. Nope. Okay, so I can go them pretty easily. Make sure I know my surroundings. The boss? No. Got 5 coins. Okay, Eli's string. So, elemental damage. Bonus elemental damage. Alright, so if I level up this, I could get elemental fire damage. I'm kind of guessing that's what that is. HVC. 25% chance to unleash chain lightning. Ooh. Okay, that'll go really good with my character. Yeah, the frisbee. I launched that frisbee. It's gonna go at all of them. It's gonna cause a lightning effect, causing even more like a chain attacks. So if I'm crowded, that's a really easy way to get crowded. Level 6. Just following my levels. I'm kind of guessing. Idea. Back away from them. Yep, they level 7 now. Frisbee. Frisbee. Oh, I missed it too. Got another good coin. Him down. Nice. I didn't see this one over here. The only downside is that you can't really get headshots because it's all one point of view. Kind of makes the crits random, I think. Almost like the middle, like absolute middle. The closer you get to the middle, is, the better the crit, maybe. Not sure. Got 5. I can purchase almost any of them. Should be fine. Fired that fireball way too early. So I'm kind of wondering if that's boss. I don't know. Oh yeah, most definitely Eli Spring. Cooldown time. Regen? I mean, I don't get hit much, so base damage, movement speed, cooldown time, and yeah, whisper because I got that elemental. So yeah, guaranteed elemental damage of that perk. Okay, nice. That's really good. That means I can get a lot of tick damage off, which what I've learned from these types of games, that elemental damage is, or tick damage, not just elemental, but tick damage in general, one of the best types of damage you can do. Kind of allows you to just sit back and Watch him burn. Spending way too long in this phase, though. I think I'm doing something wrong. Boss. Not boss. So I'm just activating something or something. Weird, but I can use this. Can't exit. Oh, that's the problem. I try to exit, I'm probably gonna die. Oop. So it gets harder as you go. You gotta keep moving. Which makes it hard to aim. To be fair, this is I like this challenge. New things. Oof. Yeah. So now they added lighting and that. Yeah, that can be very good. Let me get a little close and then just run away. That's the plan. Yeah, I'm getting messed up here. At the end. Just gotta watch out for my train. Okay, yep. This might end me. I'm kinda guessing it's elemental. Yeah, let's run away. So I lose his health. He's gonna follow him. I sadly guessed correctly. Oh gosh, this guy's a pain. The tick damage got me. Very useful. Okay, confines. Okay, that's really good. Sad day, I can't afford that. Okay, say this, it stays the same. Alright, nice. Enemies still spawn? What? No, they don't. Yikes. Distribution. Blue pill. The blue pill or the red pill? Oh man. Oof. I guess max health. No, I can't get that. I need 5. It's fine though. More movement speed. Cooldown. Base damage, yeah. And let's go ahead and... Can't buy anything else from that, can I? Nope. Just gotta activate boss. Right here. That's a weird sound. Alright. Aurora. Behemoth. Rest. Alright, then. Okay, so that was like a challenge level? Possibly? So there's no bosses, but there are challenges. Which I'm kinda guessing get harder as you go. But I can see there's a lot more enemies than there were last round. So, not a bad guess that the difficulty is starting to ramp up. Nice. That missed every single one of them. such a bad idea. Oh, there's rolling spike balls now. That's fun. So it can bounce off surfaces as well or something? That's what's spawning everything. At least you can kill projectiles. Alright. This is gonna get dicey real quick. Oof. I kept injuring them really fast. Alright, so kinda just gotta use my dodging to my advantage. What a good skill. We got 3 elementals now. Not fun. But I'm kinda guessing they all drop special coins when they die. So I'm hoping at least. Oof, they do a lot of damage though. That's bad. That was really bad shot. And again, okay, once more. Please, yes, nice. You gotta dodge the next one or we're gonna die, so, nice. That one didn't drop anything. So is it all left up to chance or what? Hey. Can I destroy that? Can. Oh, no. So if I do like a specific amount of damage each time, it'll break their stuff or something. Kinda guessing. Oh. Maybe that assumption's wrong, you know. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, I need to increase that range. It's horrible range. Okay, they spike out when they come too close to you. Makes sense. A 13 this time. Rune of Rebound, alright. Okay, so it's really good. Where Elvis did you have in that? Ritual Vessel. All critical damage heals the bearer. Okay, yeah, so that's really good actually. Kettleball. Okay, pushback with primary attack, so left button, spark, chance to ignite enemies. I mean, I don't really need that. I already do enough to ignite. I think so. Okay. Not too much fall damage. Alright. Nice. You would think you would lose at least half your health. Yeah. So, kind of basically saying the best defense is, well, the best offense is defense. so that's kind of what this is implying. Oh, vertebral implant. Why did I had such a hard time saying that? Okay. Ooh, that'd be nice if I had enough of that. Here, nice. So we're getting stacks of stuff now. Here we go, another challenge base. 20 minutes in already. Holy moly. Maybe this will be hard this time. Don't want to make this too long. Come on, champ. Give me a hard time. Alright, so we got upgrade stations all around. Charge totems. Whoa. I just walk up in there or something? Or I gotta find a certain path. Right here. Up, sure, a lot more enemies, but I'm stronger as well. Don't think there's much need to be concerned. We're here. Yeah. At the beginning of each turn restores 20% of them. Oh. Okay, nice. So are the like each little segment, is that a turn? What was specified turn? Okay, they do a lot of damage though. Lots of damage. Whoa. Hey. Check it. They're really wearing me down. Whoa, okay, that's the end. Dude. That. What? I got a second life or something? What happened? I'm gonna waste it. So I get one revive. I'm guessing. Nice. Boom. Let's take this elemental out. It's my worst enemy. Oh, okay, there he is. He's doing some chunk damage with me. Not good. Keep it on, keep this. Doing too much though. Actually, no. Wrong. Very wrong. Can't do anything on it. Now we can. Nice. Alright. All gotta go. Yeah. So hold on. In every event in the event of death, hybrid is given a second chance. Works once per run. That's kind of good. So it's like a resurrection. Dude, yeah, I'm talking about better. Okay. The end zone. Let's get out of here. So it's nice. Got like a second chance. That's it. Nope. If they explode, I'm pretty sure I don't get any XP for that. Kind of ruins the whole point. killing me right now. Ooh. Back. That'll stay real for the rest of the game. The rest of the game. Just. Ooh. It's not activated right now. Wait for me. Fish. Well, fish. Try to go a little more take damage. But, I don't think I'm doing enough. Three elementals right around me. Whoa. One of them got me. So that means I don't get a pass for the okay, I'm dead. Elementals are horrible. Observer, 100%. That's alright. I mean, not too bad for my first round. I could do better though. Alright, well, let's continue. I guess, do this again another time. Alright, see you guys.